so if I'm trying to find fractions between two fractions, and I have a situation like this where it's 1/4 and 2/4, what I need to do is rewrite the fractions so they're still equivalent, but then I can find a fraction in between. So for example, I might multiply this by 2 to both the top and the bottom and get 2/8, and multiply this by 2 to get 4/8, and then it's a little easier to find that the fraction 3/8 falls between those two. If I had an example like this, I might need to find a common denominator first. So I know that 5 times 6 is 30, so I could say that each of them are going to have a denominator of 30. And then I need to figure out what I would multiply to get 30. So 5 times 6 gets me 30 here, and 1 times 6 gets me 6, and 6 times 5 gets me 30 here, and 1 times 5 gets me 5 here. But that still presents the problem that there's not a fraction between them. So I'm going to go another step, and this time I'm going to do 60. Be pretty easy to just multiply by 2 and get 12 over 60, and multiply by 2, and get 10 over 60, and now I can see 11 over 60 would fit in between the two.